when the government announced last July, I think it was, to say that greenhouse grants were available for people, I thought, well, I'll apply for that. I had a lady call me from Essex County Council. She contacted me and she said, yeah, I'll get a firm to call you. And then Aaron, that's situated in Bury St Edmunds, called me, and then things started happening from then on. They sent a surveyor round to the house. He evaluated the quality of the house, what sort of grade I would be in, and he said, well, what we will do, he said, we will render the walls from outside as they're single skin, because the house was built in the 1930s, so the upper level single skin. I think that anyone should benefit from this scheme that has it done. I wasn't familiar with it, to be honest with you, but when they explained what takes place, I thought, well, this is going to be a great achievement, really. He said, when the surveyor was here, he said you could save anything up to £250 to £300 a year on heating bills. You lose a certain amount of quality of heat through the walls, up to about 45%. I wasn't even aware of that. And if you're losing that amount of heat, the greenhouse energy program is a great achievement, really, and making sure that we are moving forward in the future. Keeping warm, that's a bonus in itself. There's nothing worse than being cold in the winter, especially, I'm in my 70s, so I tend to feel the cold a lot more than maybe other people that are younger. So yeah, I'm very appreciative with this work being carried out, and hopefully I will be benefiting from it in a great way.